Okay, today we are going to be checking our setup for today. All right, today is Thursday. Okay, Thursday, July 10th. All right, at the time it's 7:34 right now. So I'm actually checking gold. All right, so I'm looking at gold. I'll be looking at Euro USD, and I'll also be looking at GBPUSD. Then USDJPY. So those are the pairs I'm going to be looking at this morning. So I already draft out everything. So I'll just take you through, guys, the way the setup is looking like. So let's go through it. Right now on my screen, you can see that we are on a 15 minutes time frame on gold. Right, so you can see this is gold. This is on 15 minutes. Right, so let me make the screen okay. All right, this is 15 minutes. Let me take you guys to from the origin of the setup. Okay, as you can see from the 4 hours, gold has been selling. All right, gold has been selling. So in other words, overall bias is bearish. Overall bias is bearish. So that means we are going to be looking for bearish in the market. Even if you go to the daily time frame, it's still bearish in a way. So we can see that market may be likely to react to this place. Let me just mark it. I believe market is heading to this place. Okay, it's heading to this place. So you can see market is heading here. Market is heading here. So if we are looking for, there's another key level here. Okay, there's another key level here. There's another key level here. So you can see these are the two places I believe market will be reacting to. So I can, if you go to 4 hours, you see that the market is overall bearish. So go to 1 hour. So on 1 hour, you can see that we have another key zone here. We have a key zone here on 1 hour. This one was last week. So we had some sell last week, make some profit last week. We also make a little loss too, but make massive profit from gold last week. Okay, so now market is reacting to this place right now on a 1 hour time frame. You can see that we have an imbalance. We have what's it called, another block there. All right, the market just gets to the other block now, and it's moving away from there now. Imbalance has been mitigated. Liquidity, all these are liquidity here. All these are liquidity. You understand? All these here are liquidity. So as you can see, the market came in to tap in once before. It left and it came back to tap in again. So this time I'm anticipating that this market may likely get to this point before it sell down. You understand? That's why I've not entered the market yet. So I'm still hoping. Then if you come to the 30 minutes time frame, you can see that we are likely to have a double bottom here. It's like we are having a double bottom here. Okay, we are having a double bottom here. So if I can get this upcoming candle to give me a bullish engulfing that break this structure here, this candle will just come and break this structure here, then I'll be considering buying and selling down to the downside. So but until then, I'll be waiting. Maybe that might take place around New York and London section, when London section has opened, because right now we are at 7:14 Nigeria time. Okay, so I know the market will be opening by 8 p.m. So once it's open by 8 p.m., maybe it might get to this very zone here before it sell to the downside. All right. Okay, so that is on gold. If you come to 15 minutes time frame, you can see that's still the same thing. You can see we already had a very big rejection candle. You can see the market has rejected from that place. So on the 15 minutes time frame now, it's trying to create an pin bar setup. You get, so if this candle just push all the way and break this structure now, then I will be good to enter. I will be good to enter the market. You understand? I'll be good to enter the market. I'm good to enter the market. But until then, let's see what happens. Maybe it might get to this zone here. Maybe it might get to this zone here before it sell off. So I have to wait so that I don't get taken out. You know, good. The pips are very high. If I take a market from here, I want to, play safe. I would like to put my stop loss on top here, and that would be a massive pips. You understand? So I would like to wait to see what is going to happen before entering the market. That is on gold. So let's go to the other pairs I'm working on. So if you come to EURUSD, as you can see, I already placed my sell on EURUSD. If you come to the 4 hour, you see that the market is overall bearish as well. It's bearish. Okay, so we took a sell from here last week. I think it was last week or this week. It was this week. Make some profit there. Right now we are here again to sell off to the downside. So if you come to the 1 hour, on the 4 hour, you'll notice there is you come to 1 hour. Okay, come to 1 hour. Normally it's supposed to be from this. This is the order block. It broke. If you can see now, this broke this order block here. All right, so to the upside, and then came back to break this structure. That makes this key zone, this order block, valid, and left an imbalance. You understand? So that makes it valid. So I just draw my zone, and then I plot my trade. So right now the market is on a stop loss 20 pips and take profit 66 pips. So that's 1:3.22, as you can see here. So I'm already on this trade. So for the GBPUSD, I was supposed to enter the trade at the same time with this guy, because sometimes GBP can just be like that. So for the GBP, I was expecting it to get to this place. Okay, to get to this place before selling down, because these two pairs are correlated. The EURUSD and the GBPUSD, they are correlated. So as long as EURUSD is selling right now, GBP should be selling. You understand? But because GBP has a higher pips, moves higher. I mean, the pips are higher when it moves. So I cannot just jump into the market. I have to refine where I will enter the market. You understand? So right now I'm waiting for the market to get to this point before selling off, because right now we have an imbalance here. We have a break of structure here from the 1 hour time frame. all right, from the 1 hour time frame. I did not plot it here because I went to the 15 minutes. All right, I discovered that the market may likely come to this place. As you can see, that's why I did not enter the trade from there, because all this like this now might just be a liquidity that is creating. You understand? So we still have time. So on the London opening, the market might get to this place on the London opening, then I just sell off. That's why I'm waiting for this place. But on the Euro USD, if it happens like that, I will still be in the market because my stop loss is kind of healthy, even if the market will come back all the way to this place again before selling off. You understand? So that is for the Euro USD. Then on the USDJPY, all right. So I did not enter this trade. I just placed this one to see how it's going to work. Out though. You understand? Thank God. That is the reason why when you find your setup like this, you don't just mark everything and just enter the trade just like that. So you marked it, set everything up, then wait for the trade to get to that zone and see how it will react before you enter the market. You understand? So I just placed this one here. Say, okay, maybe this will be the place I will enter the trade, but I did not enter the trade. You understand? The only trade I've entered is that Euro USD. You understand? It was Euro USD because I did that one setup. That was the first setup I did. So, and it was yesterday. So now that this market is acting like this now, so it came to this old place, it broke through, and then reversed. So if we go to the 4 hours, you'll notice that the market is buying. You understand? It's buying, and then it's trying to get to this place. As you can see, it's trying to get to this place. So that is why I decided to say, okay, I am bullish on this. All right, I am bullish on this, even though here it has almost completed the fair value gap, but I still am bullish on it because the market will have to get to this place. Are you getting, before selling down? So if you come to 1 hour, you discover that on 1 hour, now, this is what it has done now. Are you getting it? So it swept this now as liquidity, and it's buying to the upside. So if I must take any trade, as you can see now, it's buying to the upside. It does not break any structure. It does not break any structure. That makes this place almost invalid for me, because I cannot take this trade there until a structure is broken. It did not break any structure now. You understand? So let's see what happens if the market comes here and move again before we enter the trade. Let me just delete this for now. You understand? So that is it, guys. That is for the trade I am looking into for today. This one that you are seeing here was the trade I took before. That thing, think inside this week. Is this week now? On the 7th. It was on the 7th. I took the trade on the 7th of this month. Yeah. And today is 10. That was on Monday. Yeah. So as you can see, Euro USD, GBP USD, and USDJPY. I took the old trade. So I took sell on Euro USD, GBP USD, and USDJPY, and all the trade went well. On Euro USD I was buying, on GBP USD I was selling, on Euro USD I was selling. That's the same thing that is happening here again. Now that is the same setup I'm looking for. So I'm buying on Euro USD, then I'm selling on GBP USD and Euro USD. Then on gold we are close to where I want to take the trade. So I will just be watching to see what is going to happen. You understand? I'm just watching to see what's going to happen here before I take it. So if this what's it called? If this candle, give me engulf and break this structure, break this structure, then I will be looking to sell gold to the downside. All right, so thank you for watching this video. Thank you for so far for this video. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel. Remember, the analysis I just did now is based on my ideas. You understand? Do your due diligence before you enter the market. I am not in any way a financial advisor or an expert in trading. All right, this is my own point of view. Okay, so if it's something you want to go into, please make sure you do your own analyze your market very well before entering a trade. All right, see you in the next video, guys. Bye.